Hi, today for the Redmi A1 Plus, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, just to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the face unlock option works here fast and correct, and we can just unlock the device less than in 1 second. This is the really good result for the face unlock. I just suggested to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.